Where did you get these from? These are like...
I don't know. I found them somewhere. Whoa. Be
my
careful.
God. I think I broke them.
It's okay.
Seriously, where did you get these scissors?
I don't know. I found them somewhere in the basement. Hey, everybody.
Hey, what happened to your face?
I shaved a little bit.
Just a little bit. You have no beard.
It's coming back. It's fine.
Sure. So, today we have another Pop in a Box subscription.
Whoa!
We're a little late.
Yeah.
This is September's.
It's okay.
It's the end of October.
Yeah.
Ish.
Yeah.
Mid-October? I don't know.
Yeah.
Well, we have another box to open.
All right. Let's see what it is.
Just to refresh your memory, our July Pop in a Box subscription, we got Dash from Incredibles 2.
I know, that was a good one.
And actually, this one was my favorite.
Yeah.
Our August Pop in a Box subscription was Pinocchio with Jiminy Cricket on his nose. So that was super cute.
Wow.
So, let's open this box. And of course, like every Pop in a Box subscription we do, I always forget to open it before we start. Where did you get these from? These are like...
I don't know. I found them somewhere.
There's like nothing to these. How am I supposed to open this?
We'll get the job done.
All right. Oh, I don't want to stab you. Hold on.
Whoa.
Oh.
Be
my
careful.
God. I think I broke them.
It's okay.
Seriously, where did you get these scissors?
I don't know. I found them somewhere in the basement.
Should I like open it and then like show them so they see it first? Or should I open? Okay. I don't know which way. We don't know. Okay. You know what? I'm just gonna... Okay, ready guys? Hold on. Hold on. Oh my God.
You need help?
Hold on. Okay, ready? Without showing you our address.
It's okay.
Don't look. I really cannot open this right now. I'm having trouble here. Okay, ready? I think you can see it. I don't know if it's upside down or not.
You told me not to look.
Ooh! Ooh!
Whoa!
Oh, that's so cool! It is a Pop in a Box exclusive Mufasa from The Lion King, but it's like all like
awesome
glitterized.
Yeah.
And I think it's purple or blue. I can't tell the color. Can you?
I think it's like a blue. Maybe a violet.
That is so cool.
Yeah, I love it.
Wow,
awesome.
We're getting really good ones.
Yeah.
Like we're getting exclusive ones.
I don't think I've ever seen this anywhere, right?
I don't know. I haven't.
No.
I like this. And it's not the live version of The Lion King either. Like this is like,
I like it.
The cartoon. Because it has like Zazu, Simba, and Nala, Pumbaa, and Timon too on the back there. This is cool.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I like this.
It's a circle of life.
As always, after we open our subscription box, we'd like to show you guys other Pop toys that we have gotten in between both subscriptions. So, of course, we have some to show you.
Oh, yeah. All right, the first one is Haunted Mansion. It's Constance Hatchaway.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks for that.
Yeah.
This actually completes the 3 Pop collection of this one because we have the main and the other one too. So we have all 3 of those. Yeah. And to go along with our Haunted Mansion collection, can I show mine now? Is the Haunted Mansion with the butler.
Whoa!
Yeah, like the actual Haunted Mansion.
I know, it's really cool.
And the butler.
I love it. It's awesome.
Yeah, this is super
heavy.
cool. It is.
Yeah.
You found this one, actually.
Yeah.
I wasn't with you when you found it.
Yeah.
So I am super excited to have this because this is one of our favorite attractions.
We love Haunted Mansion, so there's no other way. We have to get them. I mean, it's without a question.
Yep.
So,
if you guys got a chance to see our Spirit Halloween video, which we'll actually link right up here, we got to purchase the Sanderson sisters Funko Pop toy from Spirit Halloween. It's an exclusive there.
Yeah.
And it's all 3 of them like around the cauldron. It's super cute. So to go along with that, we got Billy, who's also a Spirit Halloween exclusive.
Yeah.
So we obviously went back there when we were doing some of our Halloween decorating shopping.
Yeah.
And we found Billy, which I think we actually showed in the video.
Yeah, we saw him.
We'll link that video up here right now because they're separate videos. But yeah.
It was hard to find at first because I think 1 or 2 we went to, they didn't have Billy at all.
Right. Actually, one sold out.
Yeah.
And I was like, uh-oh, we're going to have a hard time finding this, but...
Yeah, he's really cool too.
We found him.
I got a New York City Comic-Con exclusive next. Jiminy Cricket to go along with Mr. Pinocchio over there.
This was a recent purchase.
Yeah. This is the fall edition of New York City Comic Con, and it's amazing.
Is that what it is?
He's really cool looking. He's like kind of happy, hopping around here, and it's cool. It goes along with Pinocchio, so we have a complete set because I think it's the only two of them on the other side. So.
Yeah, and I think the cool part too about some of the Comic-Cons that are happening right now, just because we can't have large gatherings, a lot of them are going virtual, so you can actually get a lot of these Funko Pops online. So we were able to get this one. So these next few Pop toys we wanted to save for a special video. We were hoping we were going to get all of them together, but they are coming sporadically and not on time and not at the same time, and we're just going to show you what we got. So obviously, one of the biggest collections out there right now is the Disneyland 65th anniversary Funko Pops. I mean, actually, there's not even just Funko Pops. There's like everything.
I know.
There's a lunchbox. There's T-shirts. There's little figure. I don't know. There's just so much stuff. But obviously, we went for the Pop toys.
Oh yeah.
So let's start with
Whoa.
Minnie and Mickey.
Yeah.
Grab one. All right.
Yeah.
Who do I have? I have Minnie. Okay, so Minnie was an Amazon exclusive, and if you guys can see, they are in a train cart.
Yeah.
So these in particular are part of a group. Let me flip it over so you guys can see. So it's an actual train that if you take all of them out of the box, it's literally one long train. So there's Minnie,
really cool.
Dumbo, Pluto, Mickey, Goofy, and Donald.
Oh yeah, I think Goofy's my favorite.
So Goofy, as of right now, hasn't been released yet.
I know, I'm waiting.
So right now we have Minnie and Mickey. We have other ones. I'm not going to say which ones. I don't want to say which ones yet. But we did pre-order some of the other ones, so they are on their way. When they come in, we'll show you.
And I really love the color of the box. It's like an off kind of, not white like the others.
Yeah. Very vintage looking.
Yeah, I like that.
Very old school.
It's really cool.
To go along with Mickey and Minnie, this one's my favorite.
I know it is. I mean,
this one's so cool. It is.
Oh yeah.
Mickey with Sleeping Beauty Castle.
Yes.
I mean, this is just so. When I saw this, I was afraid that we weren't going to be able to get it, just because I know how, one, exclusive it is, and two, how everyone's going to want this one in particular.
Yeah.
So we were able to get it right in the first pre-order.
Yep.
I'm so excited to have this. And this collection has Matterhorn, Mickey, Matterhorn, Donald, Mr. Toad, Peter Pan, and Captain Hook. So I'll show you the back there. And again, we have other ones pre-ordered. Not going to tell you which ones, but we will show you when they come in.
And it's not every day you see the castle as a Pop toy.
Oh
so,
my gosh,
I mean,
right?
I think this is going to be a rare item, or if not already. Yeah.
Actually, another one with the castle that hasn't been released yet, and we're really waiting for that one, is the castle with wall. Yeah,
that's really cool.
That one is out there on the internet. No idea when it's going to be released, but ooh, that one's definitely one you want to get your hands on. So I guess kind of like a small collection for right now.
Yeah.
We did slow down on our purchases a little bit.
Well, yeah, we're going to Disney soon, so you know.
So excited.
So yeah, I love the 65th anniversary. I mean, Mufasa, that was awesome.
Yes, that was a great one for our subscription. Yeah.
Yeah, and you can't go wrong with Halloween and Billy Butcherson. So.
You love Hocus Pocus.
I do. If you want to keep up to date with everything that's going on with us, you can follow us at AdventuresInWeberland on Facebook and on Instagram.
Yeah, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you like this video and you like what you see, please give it a big thumbs up. Ding. Oh.
Ah.
Okay. Also, ring that notification bell so you're notified every time we post a video.
And we'll see you on the next Adventures in Weberland. Now, can we open that Pop toy up?
I know. Can I ding? Ding. See, that's all. Ding.
The circle
Oh, no, don't sing, please.
I'm a drummer, not a singer.